How to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Now let's get started. First we need to open our TikTok app. Then we need to go to the profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now we should click on the three lines at the top right corner. In Appear menu we need to tap on Settings and Privacy. Here we should find option Dark Mode and click on it. Now we can switch light mode to the dark one, just by tapping. And that's all. It was how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.